now shifting focus, we're getting some breaking news. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath rakes up Deepu's murder in Bangladesh, questions opposition silence on Hindu murder in Bangladesh. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath says that opposition raises Gaza issue but not Hindu killings. So Yogi Adityanath has taken a dig after Priyanka Gandhi spoke on Gaza earlier, and he has raised this issue of killing of Deepu Das, who was a Hindu who was lynched in Bangladesh. And Yogi Adityanath has accused the opposition of silence on killings of Hindus in Bangladesh and Pakistan. And he says that opposition protests the Gaza issue but does not speak when a Dalit Hindu is killed in Bangladesh or Pakistan. And he also calls for condemnation resolution from the leader of the opposition. Let's listen in.
बांग्लादेश में एक दलित नौजवान को कैसे जला दिया गया है। आप लोग गाजा पट्टी में होने वाले किसी भी उस पर आंसू बहाते हैं, लेकिन आपकी जुबान से एक शब्द नहीं निकल रहा है, क्योंकि एक दलित नौजवान मारा गया बांग्लादेश में, और उस नौजवान के मरने पर आपकी जुबान सिल चुकी है, क्योंकि आप उसको केवल वोट बैंक के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ये सुरक्षा की गारंटी वहां मारे जा रहे हैं हिंदू, आप लोग नहीं बोलेंगे। एक कैंडल मार्च निकाल के चलते हैं गांजा के मुद्दे को लेकर के, लेकिन पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश में हिंदू मारा जाता है तो आपके मुंह बंद हो जाते हैं।
And my colleague Samarth Srivastava is now joining us on this story. Samarth, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister is questioning the opposition on the Hindu lynching in Bangladesh, saying that the opposition, which is very vocal on issues like Gaza, remains silent on Hindu killings.
The same Yogi Adityanath came down heavily on the opposition party, especially Samajwadi Party yesterday in the UP Assembly, where he was making his speech on the supplementary budget. He clearly says that whenever it is something about Gaza, you guys start protesting, you guys start posting pictures on social media, or you guys start giving bites. But when it comes to the death of Dalit Hindu man in Bangladesh, none of your MLAs raising any voice regarding whatsoever, or are not making any noise here against the Bangladesh issue, because it's not your vote bank. Public is seeing everything, whatever you are doing. So these claims were made by Yogi Adityanath against especially the Samajwadi Party. Though Mata Prasad Pandey, leader of opposition, minutes after stood up on her seat and clearly said that yes, we are ready for the discussion on this particular issue. You must ensure that things will go smoothly when we talk about Bangladesh, but nothing happened because it was the time for calling of the session, because it was already 4 to 5 days. But yes, CM Yogi Adityanath has taken a firm stand on Bangladesh issue. He even says that nothing like that could happen in India, because it's bulldozer waiting for those, whoever mafia or gunda or whatever the goon is, who try to even think about that. Back to you.
All right, Samar, thank you so much for those details and for that context. Let's once again listen into what Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said while attacking the opposition.
देखो, बांग्लादेश में एक दलित नौजवान को कैसे जला दिया गया है। आप लोग गाजा पट्टी में होने वाले किसी भी उस पर आंसू बहाते हैं, लेकिन आपकी जुबान से एक शब्द नहीं निकल रहा है, क्योंकि एक दलित नौजवान मारा गया बांग्लादेश में, और उस नौजवान के मरने पर आपकी जुबान सिल चुकी है, क्योंकि आप उसको केवल वोट बैंक के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ये सुरक्षा की गारंटी वहां मारे जा रहे हैं हिंदू, आप लोग नहीं बोलेंगे। एक कैंडल मार्च निकाल के चलते हैं गांजा के मुद्दे को लेकर के, लेकिन पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश में हिंदू मारा जाता है तो आपके मुंह बंद हो जाते हैं।